guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we're going to do another Stitch Fix unboxing today. Basically what this is, for those of you that are new, have no idea what this is, it's a monthly subscription box. Basically you pay $20 a month to get this box, and that comes out of whenever you actually purchase. If you purchase any or all of the clothes in the box, the $20 styling fee is deducted from that. So even though you're paying $20 a month, technically you're really not. As long as you actually buy something, it's pretty much free of charge for the styling fee. If you guys have more questions about it, I'd say just go to their website. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to put my referral code down in the description so that if you guys want to try this, you can use my referral code to save $25. If you purchase the entire box, everything that they sent you, you'll get 25% off of it, I want to say. There is a benefit to buying everything in the box, for sure. It's a much better deal. I should start off by saying that I am sick right now, and so I feel like my train of thought is just not there. Like, I'm exhausted right now. I'm sick. Once I'm done with this video, I'm literally going to bed. So I like how they package the box. First and foremost, I am going to let you guys know that I did take a sneak peek at what I'm getting. Basically, once they ship your stuff to you, you're able to look at your cart and see what they sent you, and you can start checkout. It's kind of like a little hack, just so you guys know. And I have to say I'm a little pissed off, to be honest. I'm trying not to be. I'm trying to keep an open mind about it, but there's an option in their app or on the website, depending on what you use, to put in a message to your stylist explaining like if you want certain things for the month. And I said that I wanted one of 3 or 4 possible things. I said I either wanted a pair of black combat boots, a jean jacket that has like the sweatshirt material for the hood, you know what I mean? So it's like 2 different materials. Or I wanted some kind of a dress that I could wear to my winter formal. I'm in the Air Force. We're basically having a holiday party, and it's like a semi-formal, formal type thing. And so I asked for either a dress, combat boots, or the jacket. Or anything that I've thumbed up in the app, because now they have where they will show you a certain style, certain article of clothing, and you can mark whether or not that's something that you would wear in your everyday style, so it can help your stylist to cater things even more to you. So when I took the sneak peek at this box, I noticed that there is nothing in there that I asked for. I haven't thumbed up any of these items. They weren't any of the 3 items that I asked for. I don't know how they came up with this box. I'm hoping I like them, and I'm really trying to keep an open mind, but I'm a little annoyed that it feels like they didn't take anything I said into consideration. Maybe the note that they sent me will explain it, so I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt and hope that this explains why I didn't get what I asked for. So let's go ahead and read this and see what they have to say. This is the price thing, this is the note. She said, "Hi Kayla, I hope this fix finds you enjoying the somewhat cooler temps in San Antonio this time of year and getting excited for the upcoming holiday season. I saw your request and totally understand what you're looking for. Unfortunately, at this time, Stitch Fix does not carry formal wear, but I hope you have a blast going out to try on some fun dresses for your upcoming Christmas party. While I couldn't find a denim jacket within our inventory I thought that you would absolutely love, I wanted to send you this Mix by 41 Hawthorne brush knit hoodie that would be perfect with either a blue or black denim jacket. Since you love burgundy, I thought it'd be a win, especially paired with the Vigos gray skinny jeans. Although I didn't come across combat boots for you at this time, I did find these great MIA black booties. Hope you enjoy. XO Kelly." So now I feel bad for being mad, because at least she tried to do what I said. Also, I didn't ask for a formal dress, I asked for a semi-formal dress, which I know that just any dress, as long as it doesn't show my tits, would work. It doesn't have to be like a long dress, so I guess maybe she just misunderstood what I was asking for with that. So I already know what the first thing is. Honestly, I might like these, I might not. I'm really not sure. I'll have to see what they look like in person. Based on the picture, I thought maybe I would wear these. So it's these little cute booties. I have a lot of black booties already as it is, but they are kind of getting worn out, and I don't have any exactly like this or anything, so yeah, it's cute, kind of edgy. It's definitely my style. Like, I like these. I don't go out a lot, and like I said, I already have booties similar to these, but they're cute, and I would consider getting these for sure. These are the MIA Valentine Heeled Booty. They go for $79. I have never in my life paid that much for a pair of shoes. These are a maybe. So the next thing that we have is this green striped shirt. It's got kind of these crisscrossy things in the front. It's just okay. It's just okay. Would I wear this? I guess if it was in my closet, I would wear it. Would I pick this out for myself? Probably not. No. It's kind of motherly to me. And this one goes for $34. The next thing that we have is, again, probably not something I would pick out for myself. They know I like black and they know I like floral, but do I love this floral? Again, it looks like something my mom or my grandma might wear. Nothing against them, because I love my mom and grandma, but like I want to dress appropriate to my age-ish, at least somewhat. I might bite my tongue when I try this on because maybe I'll love it. I mean, it's cute. I just don't know if it's my style. Black it's hard to go wrong with black though, so I'll give them some credit. It might work. I don't know. Again, I'll let you guys know whenever I try it on. Okay, so the black one was the Kayla. I'm assuming is how you say it. The Kayla Tessine Rouged. What's that word? Sleeve mixed material. Kayla spelled Kaileigh. I know nothing about clothes, I'm sorry. It's a black shirt. It's a black long sleeve shirt. This goes for $42. This is one that when I saw it, I was like, yeah, this is one that I would probably pick out for myself. So it's just this kind of lightweight hoodie. Here's the hood. And the sleeves have just a few stripes on them. So it's pretty simple, but cute, and it wouldn't keep you like really warm. It's a little sheer, just a little bit sheer, so it wouldn't be like the warmest thing in the world. But you could always put a long sleeve shirt on under it on just like cooler days, but not like freezing cold days, and you should be good. So really cute, super soft. I like this. I feel like this is a good contender as something that I would actually be willing to get and would pick out for myself. That is the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Callan Brush Knit Hoodie in the color burgundy. It goes for $38. And then the last item that I got this month, or this fix, is just a gray pair of jeans, basically. And the zippers go sideways, which I haven't seen pants like these since I was in like middle school. I feel like these were popular selling from Hot Topic when I was approximately 13 or 14. I'm not trying to talk shit, I just wouldn't pick these out for myself. I never thumbed these up. I mean, they're not bad, but honestly, I don't want to give too much of an opinion until I try these on, because I might actually end up loving them. It's just one of those things that like, no, I wouldn't pick this out for myself. I didn't thumb it up or thumb it down. I just like dark wash ripped jeans. That's fine. Like, I don't need anything fancy. These remind me of Hot Topic when I was 13. Not right or wrong. If you wear jeans like this, I'm not bashing you. It's just not my style. And that's what it reminds me of. But let me try it on. I might bite my tongue. I might end up loving these. So I'm gonna go try this stuff on, and then I will come back and let you guys know my thoughts afterwards. So the shoes are super uncomfortable. My feet are apparently way too wide for these. I don't know, but just had them on for like 20 seconds and they're squeezing my toes, and not a fan, a little too tight for me. The shirt, don't love the shirt. I don't get these string things. They're gonna annoy me. They're gonna drag through my food when I'm trying to eat. That's frustrating. The pants, surprisingly, I'm not mad at the pants. I talked a lot of shit. I'm gonna wear them a little bit more as I try on the other shirts and stuff, but I'm not too mad at these. These are not bad. I feel like they don't look on me like how I thought they were gonna look, so I'm not upset. So I'll come out with the next outfit. To be honest guys, shirts like this just don't hang well on my body. They make me look pregnant and wider, and plus like this shirt's a little big too. I don't love it. I really, and I don't know how I'm supposed to wear this. Is it supposed to be like down so my boobs are out, or is it supposed to be up? I don't get it. I just, enough said, don't like it. Okay, this I like. This is something I would pick out. This is something I would wear. So right now I'm wearing the two things that I don't hate, that I actually kind of like, that I'm considering. So I'm gonna come back, look at prices, and I will let you guys know what I think. So out of the whole fix, the only two items that I'm considering are these jeans and this burgundy hoodie. Long sleeve hoodie thing, whatever you want to call it. I was hoping I'd like the boots. I did like the boots, but they were just a little tight on me, a little uncomfortable. The other two things, I just didn't like. I don't know. Do you guys agree with me or disagree with what I picked out? I don't know. It could just be my own personal style. Like, I have a really weird style. I don't know. I just didn't like the other two items that they sent me. I tried. I kept an open mind, but they just weren't what I was into, I guess. So if I were to have bought everything in this fix though, it would have been $261 minus the buy all discount, which is 25% off, which would have brought it down to $195.75 minus the $20 that I paid already for the styling fee. So if I bought everything in this fix, it would have been $175.75. So this is $38. This is $68.
Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again.
So we're just gonna get the hoodie. So it's $38, which they'll take the $20 styling fee out of. So really I'm just paying an extra 18 bucks to have this. That's what I'm doing. I'm sorry. I'm sending back the rest of the fix. Let me know in the comments if you guys agree or disagree with my choice. I don't know. Like I said, I just wasn't impressed with what they sent me this month. Hopefully next month will be better. But on that note, if you guys want to try this and see if you get a good or a bad fix, or if you watch other videos and you see that you actually can get some really cool and cute stuff, make sure you get my referral code out of the description here so you can save 25 bucks whenever you get your first fix. You can't have a video without this, Selena. It's a circle of life. It's so cute. Okay. Sorry. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're not already. Give it a thumbs up if you like this fix, and let me know in the comments if you agreed or disagreed with my choices, and is any of this stuff your guys' style? What is your style? I'd love to know more about you guys. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Guaranteed Sunday, but I'm trying to post more than once a week, so there might be another video coming up in between this one and next Sundays. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you can catch it when I do put up a new video. Alright, on that note, I'm gonna go now. Okay, bye!